Let's walk you through using our newest feature, AllFilters. Like any of our searches, you're going to start on our search listings button. Remember, this works the same whether you are in the web browser version where I am today, or if you're accessing this through your mobile app or through the Follow Up Boss widget. Like all of our searches, we want to start with a location. You can put in a city, a county, a zip code here. You can do multiples. I'll throw in a couple of cities just to get us going. This location-based functionality works the same now as it always has. You also have the option to draw here on the map if you wanted to draw and narrow down that search location or those parameters even more. Again, nothing has changed here, but where the new fun stuff comes in is when you click on the filters. So I'll hop over to list view and click back on our filters. Your location again is the same as always. You'll notice you now have new sort by options. So when you are sorting for those results, you can select how do you want those to show. Default for us has always been days on site with the newest properties or most recently listed properties showing first, but you can choose to sort in different ways. You do have the ability to filter by MLSs. So for those of you that are in an area where you've got multiple MLSs connected to your Ruuster portal, especially if those MLSs are overlapping, you'll find that you can now select from those different MLSs here in your dropdown. You have the option to choose from the MLSs that are specific to you or connected to your Ruuster portal. You can filter to include all of them or just one of two of those MLSs as you so choose. You have your property status, which is the same, but there are some MLS specific property statuses that you could now take advantage of if your MLS offers those. You can see there are a variety of additional filters, some the same, but we've got some new ones here, including setting a maximum number of bedrooms and bathrooms. So a bit of a change there on our previous filters. You also can see that we now have our open house period. So if you want to filter by properties with upcoming open houses, you can select a filter through those. Again, a variety of different filters, but the meat of our newest product or our newest feature change is under the advanced filters option, which is a new button here. When you click on advanced filters, you'll see those MLSs you choose selected are here in the original location bar. If you don't have an MLS here, make sure you pick one, okay? We need at least one MLS to get started. So again, you can do one or choose to do two or, however many you've got that are overlapping. And then from there, you can search for the field that you would like to filter by. You now have the option to create really granular searches. So if you are looking for something specific on an interior, we can say, let's include those interior features. Check the box next to it and click Add Advanced Filter. From here, if you scroll down, you'll see, let's remove some of these other ones. You'll see that you can select what that interior feature might be. So if you're looking for a property that very specifically has an eat-in kitchen, then you can filter by that. Maybe you also want something that is in a specific subdivision. You can come here, or a specific school. You can say, hey, I want to do schools, and then add advanced filter. And I want to make sure I am Dunwoody High School. So I'll put that in here. And now I can see when I click see all properties, those 9 listings that have an eat-in kitchen that are in Sandy Springs or in the area I drew off that also are within the Dunwoody High School school district. There are a ton of different filters that you can choose through our advanced filters option as well. So things like lot filters or lot features are one. Maybe you very specifically want a property that has a private pool. You can add that as an advanced filter and say, yes, has private pool. So you're looking at properties that have both an eat-in kitchen and a private pool. So a variety of different filters that you can choose from as you are creating those searches. If you want to set up those automatic property alerts, again, you'll click here on Save Search. And you can set that up for your current client or existing lead that you might be working with. You can see these individual properties by clicking on the property. You could share any of those. But as you can see through here, through our advanced filters, there are a ton of different filtering options that you've got available. You also can see which filters are applicable to which MLSs. So in this circumstance, I've got 2 MLSs selected. And I can see that not all of these filters are applicable to both MLSs. So for example, the carport spaces is only in one of two of the MLSs that I have selected here. If you click on this I or info button, you'll be able to see exactly which MLSs in your portal this covers. Now, my portal's got quite a few MLSs connected, so all of those show up, but yours won't have all of this since they aren't all connected to your portal. Something to take a look at. But you can really come in here. There are things like finance type. So if you're looking at buyer financing, again, there are things like your lot features or your exterior features. So for those of you that are in perhaps waterfront locations, you have those things that you can search. Again, the pool. So not just does it have a pool, yes, no, but you could even have advanced pool features. So if you're looking for something specific to do with that particular pool, you've got that there. So I really wanted to highlight this to make sure that everyone can see how to use this and how to start taking advantage of this. Please let us know if you've got any questions. We're always here to help. You can email us at helpme@ruuster.com. Thanks.